Welcome back to the Refoundry tutorial series. In this video, we'll look at the Font Awesome integration in Refoundry. Refoundry provides direct access to the Font Awesome library inside the editor. This can be added to any text block such as headings or paragraphs, as well as to buttons. First, I need to go to the heading menu, and then I can select Font Awesome icon to open the library. I can search for an item, and I can also change how it looks. Let's add this icon to the heading and preview it. Because the icon is part of the heading block, it follows the same styling as the text. If I change the color of the text, the icon will change color too. I can also add Font Awesome icons to paragraphs and buttons the same way. Let's add an Add to Cart icon for this button. And I'll add a Share icon for this one. If I change the style of the buttons, the icons will also change. I can also add some text to the buttons with the icons. And that's how you can add Font Awesome icons directly to headings and buttons in Refoundry. Having icons integrated into the editor helps reduce setup time and avoids relying on external plugins.